Hey guys, Taylor here. I wanted to show you another one of my Fuzzoodle creations. This is Looney Bird. I unfortunately had to take apart Helen Henny to get the beak and the white part and the branch. That's supposed to be his little branch, but it looks wrong. But anyway, here's Looney Bird. This is supposed to be his barrel. And he's got kooky eyes. And he could actually kind of go in and out of the barrel. Kind of. It's hard to do this and hold the camera at the same time. See, now he's kind of in his barrel. It's coming out. Yeah, he looks really weird. But he's bendable. Just like Helen. And yeah, his branch keeps on bending over, but whatever. It's cool. So yeah, that's my Looney Bird Fuzzoodle creation. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!